Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have your clips assembled. Now start the voiceover immediately. First, set the timeline playhead exactly where you want narration to begin, make short marker notes, and open the voiceover tool. Select your microphone, enable monitoring if you need to hear yourself, and test a quick phrase so levels look healthy. Once done, adjust the clip gain or add a mute to underlying audio tracks. This initial setup prevents timing mismatches and gives you a clean recording lane to work in. Now record your full narration in focus takes. You can use the count-in feature to lock timing or manually tap record and speak with clear, steady pacing. Record several takes of each segment so you can pick the best performance. Keep them separated by track or take markers for easy editing. After recording, apply noise reduction, a light compressor, and a gentle high pass to remove rumble. Make sure to listen back in context with the video so phrasing matches on-screen action. Finish by cleaning and syncing your chosen takes. Trim breaths and use short crossfades to remove clicks. Nudge clips frame by frame if lines slip off visuals. Normalize to a consistent target like -6 dB and duck any background music so the voice remains clear. Once satisfied, export a test file and watch for lip sync or timing drift. If something is off, nudge the clip or re-record that line. Troubleshooting tip: if recordings sound distant, enable input boost or move the mic closer and re-record the sentence only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.